Look at me now. Hit your mom's out of leg out. Yellow model cheat. Yellow bottle sipping. Yellow Lamborghini. Yellow top missing. Yeah, yeah. That shit look like a toupee. I get what you get in 10 years, in 10 days. Ladies love me. I'm on my cool J. If you get what I get, what you say? She waxed it all off. Mr. Miyagi. And them suicide doors all recalled. Look at me now. Look at me now. Oh. I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh. Look at me now. Yeah. Fresh to little nigga, bigger nigga, right? Cause I'm feeling every nigga that's tryna be on my shit. Better could be chick if you better, I can get it. She actually really feel all on my dick. Oops, I say on my dick. I heard the niggas say on my dick. But since we talking about my dick, all of you niggas say hi to it. I'm done.
Hey, old Breezy, let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there, homie. Let's go! I'm feeling like I'm running, I'm feeling like I gotta get away, but I know that I don't, and I won't ever stop, cause you know I gotta win every day. She really wanna pop me, just know that you will never stop me. And another nigga be a little cocky. You ain't never gonna stop me. Every time I come in, nigga gotta set it, then I gotta go, and then I gotta get it, then I gotta blow it, and I gotta shut it. Any little thing a nigga think that he be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna do it. Then I'm gonna do everything and anything about it, about it, and I gotta do a lot of things to make it clear to a couple niggas that I always want, and I gotta get it again and again and again. And I be doing it to death, and now I move a little foul, nigga better call up rapping, everybody know I'm selling, niggas know that I'm the best when it comes to doing this, and I be banging on my chest, and I'm banging the east, and I'm banging in the west, and I kinda give you more, and I will never give you less. You will hear it in the street, and you can read it in the press. Do you really wanna know what's next? Let's go. See the way we on it, and we all up in the race, and you know we gotta go and try to keep up with the pace, and we're struggling and hustling and set it, and to get it, and we know what we gotta do and take it to another place, gotta taste it, and I gotta grab it, and I gotta cut all through this traffic, just to be at the top of the dome, and I know I gotta have it.
Look at me now. Look at me now. Oh. I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh. Look at me now. Yeah. Fresh to fuck these bitch ass niggas. I don't do much from the two shit. I'm a nuisance. I go stupid. I go dumb like the Three Stooges. I don't eat sushi. I'm the shit. No, I'm pollution. No substitution. Got a bitch that play their movies in my jacuzzi.